Now example number 4. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular on BC, BQ is perpendicular on AC, BPC collinear points, AQC collinear points. Then prove that CPA similar CQB. Now we have to show triangle similar first. Okay. Now for that, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, first you see triangles, pair of triangles. CPA, here 90 degree, CPA, triangle CPA, angle CPA 90, CQB, here angle CQB 90, is these two angles P and B, here P and here Q, sorry, P and Q are congruent, each of 90 degree. Then I write here angle CPA is congruent with angle CQB. CPA, CQB are congruent. Why? What is the reason? Each of 90 degree. Each angle of 90 degree. Both are of 90. That's why they are congruent. For AA test, we want one more angle. And in both CPA, here angle C, and CQB, here C. C is common. Therefore, here we can write, if C is common, take this vertex at the middle. Then you can write C we want at the middle. ACP, angle ACP we can write equal to here BCQ. Here C is common. Therefore here reason you write down common angles. If two corresponding angles of one triangle are congruent with the other triangle, then these two triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar with triangle CQB. By which test? By AA test. We proved triangles are similar by AA test. Now here, three lengths are given: AB, BQ, and BC. Find AC. Now we can solve. Property is that if two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. All three corresponding sides. But always no need to take all three corresponding sides. Which sides we want, which sides are to find, then take these pairs only. Here first pair, what is CP? Then CP is here. No, not is given. Don't take CP. PA means here AP. Then you can write AP. What is corresponding of AP? Corresponding of AP second third here. Second third is here BQ. Okay, BQ is here. Is equal to. Now AC. AC is there. AC is to find. AC means first third. AC corresponding of AC is BC. Only two sides we took. Third we did not take. Why? Because that we don't want. If you want to write, you can. In next step, you cancel that. Here reason C, S, T. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now put values. AP 7 upon BQ 8 is equal to AC we have to find, and BC is 12. Now by cross multiplication we have to solve and we get AC there. Here I continue. Cross multiplication. AC into 8 is equal to 7 multiplied by 12. Transfer order. AC is equal to 7 multiplied by 12 upon 8. Therefore AC is equal to, now reduction you can do. Reduction by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21, 21 upon 2. AC is equal to 21 upon 2 means half of 21, 10.5. 10.5. Here we got the length of AC 10.5. Unit is not given, that's why no need to write that. Now let's see example number 5 of practice 1.3. In trapezium PQRS, PQRS is a trapezium. PQ is parallel to SR. One pair is parallel, second pair is not parallel, that's why it is trapezium. AR is equal to phi AB. This is one condition there. Equation is given. Second equation is given, and we have to prove SR is equal to phi PQ. For this, we want corresponding sides. If you want corresponding sides, we have to show triangle similar. And for triangle similar, by using information, given information, we have to show triangle similar. For that, here two conditions are given. These two conditions are very important. First equation is AR is equal to phi AB, and second is AS is equal to phi AQ. Convert these equations into the ratio. Now how? Now there is AB, here is AR. AB is here, AR is here. Okay? Therefore, we can convert this as, we can write this as AR upon AB is equal to phi. We brought this AB here. AR upon AB is equal to phi. And same way here, AS upon AQ is equal to also phi. If both these are equal, here number 1 you can give, number 1, number 2. Now if you compare 1 and 2, we can write here AR upon AB is equal to AS upon AQ. Okay, number 3 I write here, and how we have written this from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2 we wrote this, we got this ratio AR upon AB is equal to AS upon AQ. Means two corresponding sides are in proportion. Now only one angle we need to show triangle similar. In a triangle, now which triangles we have to take? See, AR AB, there is AR upon AB is equal to AS upon AQ. Is this triangle we have to take? This pair, this and this. Then you can write here PAQ RAS. Okay? In triangle PAQ and triangle RAS, this pair, this and this we are taking PAQ RAS. Show these two triangles similar. Already we have here two corresponding sides proportional here. AR upon AB, AS upon AQ. Now here AR first, AP down, here triangle, we can write, no problem. About RAS first is there. Then AR upon AB is equal to AS upon AQ. This is from 3. And one more angle we want in these two triangles. Now AR upon AB, AR is taken first. AR this side, then take this angle A first. Angle RAS is congruent with angle which this pair, this RAS PAQ. These are vertically opposite angles. Now you know, if two corresponding sides are in proportion and one angle is congruent, then these two triangles are similar by SAS test. Here you see SAS. If I write here now, triangle RAS is similar with triangle PAQ. We can write here by which test? Here I write by AA test. Now we proved triangle similar RAS and PAQ. We have to show this. Okay. Now here we proved this one. Now condition for corresponding sides. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides. All three corresponding sides are in proportion. Now write corresponding sides of these two triangles. RA upon BA is equal to AS upon AQ. How to write corresponding sides? First, second, RA, PA. Second, third, AS, AQ. First, third, RAS upon PQ. These are corresponding sides. CST. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Now put value. Which values we know here? AR upon AB, AS upon AQ. Here, AS upon AQ and AR upon AB. This AR upon AB. Their value we know it is 5. Both same, both equal. Here we wrote 5. 5 is equal to RS upon PQ. Okay, from here we can write from 1 to 3, from 3, anywhere 5. Both their values are same. Here is equal to 5. Now cross multiplication, we want to show this. SR is equal to, now here SR means RS, therefore we can write RS SR is equal to, here upon 1 is here, is equal to 5 PQ. Cross multiplication, here like this and here like this. Okay, 5 is here actually upon 1 and we proved it. SR is equal to 5 PQ. Now example number 6. Sixth example is very easy. We have to find OD, some lengths are given, but before that we have to show triangle similar. We cannot find any value until we have triangle similar. If two triangles are given similar, then we can take corresponding sides in proportion. But if triangles are not shown similar, that condition is not given, then directly don't take similar and prove them. Prove these two triangles similar. Now here we want OD here. AB 20, AB is given here 20, DC 6, here DC is 6, OB 5, OB is 15 here, and OD is here. This side should come in that triangle. Therefore, in which triangle these sides are coming, it is to find, it is given, it is both are given. This triangle we can take COD and AOB. In triangle COD, this triangle COD, and here AOB, and triangle AOB. COD, this and these triangles we are taking here. Show these two triangles similar. It will be very easy by AA test. How by AA test? Angle COD is congruent with angle AOB. Already these two angles are congruent. Here you see this and this. These are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. One more pair we want. Now here, as it is said, it is given AB parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD and if we take AC transversal, then this angle we can say congruent to this. See, ABCD parallel, AC is a transversal. This angle we can write congruent with this. These are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Therefore, we can write here. What is the name of it? ODC. Angle ODC is congruent with angle OAB. OAB. And which type? Alternate angles. You can write alternate angles, or if you write alternate interior angles, you can. By AA test now, triangles are similar. By AA test, which triangles? These two. Triangle COD is similar with triangle AOB. Triangle COD is similar with AOB, AA test. Now, if we proved here, we proved two triangles are similar, we can take corresponding sides now. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Now, all three corresponding sides are in proportion, all three. But, as I told you, no need to take always all three. Take two pairs, those are required. Now here AB is given, therefore AB we can take. AB, what is corresponding of AB here? CD. Then I write here CD upon AB is equal to here CD. CD is there, AB is there. OB, then OB is here. OB, what is corresponding of OB? OD. OD is to find. Therefore OD upon OB. Right, corresponding of first sides of this triangle, then of this triangle. Support here C, S, S, T. Write values. CD means DC 6 upon AB 20. OD we have to find, and OB 15. Do cross multiplication or reduction. Here I continue. OD multiplied by 20 is equal to 6 multiplied by 15. OD is equal to 6 multiplied by 15 divided by 20. OD is equal to, now here reduction we can do here by 5. 5 3s are 5 4s are. Correct? 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Then we can reduce here also by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 2. Therefore, OD is equal to half of 9 is 4.5. In this way, we got length of OD 4.5. Example number 7. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel. AD is parallel to BC, AB is parallel to DE. Line here intersect ray AB at point in point D here. Prove that DE into BE, C into DE. Now for this two triangles we have to consider. We have to show them similar and then corresponding sides, then cross multiplication. It is like this. These are steps. In which triangle these sides are there? These triangles you see first. DE, BE, DE, here BE, here. Okay? CE, CE is here, this. And DE, D is here. Therefore, we have to take two triangles with these sides. These four sides should come in that. Now here if you see BE and DE, BE, DE here. CE is here. Now which triangles are there? This and this. You have to take this and this triangle. In these two triangles, these sides are coming and show them similar. Now how to show? By AA test. By AA test, one pair we get here, this pair is there, vertically opposite, right? And one more pair we want. Now here AD is parallel to BC, no? Parallelogram. AD is parallel to this. And if we take transversal, here, now you see here, AB is parallel to DC also. AB is parallel to DC. If we extend AB, AT parallel to BC, right? Both ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. By that, AB is parallel to DE, DC. If we extend AB, then it is AT parallel to BC. And if we take transversal this, then we can write this angle is congruent with this angle. These are alternate interior angles. See here, BC transversal. It is parallel to this. This we can write congruent with this. B with C. These are alternate interior. Therefore, consider here first of all write down this. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel now. Opposite side now I take AB. AB is parallel to DC. Okay, that AB we can write as AT. AT is parallel to DC, and BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal, and if we take BC transversal, we can write these two triangles congruent, these two angles congruent, this and this. Okay, that we can write afterwards. It is given. Now consider two triangles. Which two triangles? This and this. DEC in triangle DEC and triangle DEC we took now. Now take TEB. TEB, because these are parallel. If you start from DEC, you start from the end point of D is T. TEB. Then that will be correct corresponding side. Show these two triangles similar now. One angle same that we have taken, DEC and TEB. DEC congruent with TEB. Why are these two triangles? Why are these two angles congruent? This and this vertically opposite angles. Okay, therefore support here I write vertically opposite angles. One more pair we want. One more pair. It is taken vertically opposite. Now this and this I explain here. How to write name of this? DCE angle DCE is congruent with, here we wrote DCE, now here TBE. TBE. Why are these congruent? These are alternate interior angles, and therefore triangle similar. Triangle DEC is similar with triangle TEB by area test. DEC similar with TEB by area test. Now here we have to prove this. If you want sides, then corresponding sides we have to take, because we want here all four sides. Now if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides, which sides are here in this? Only take this side. Here is DE, then DE is here. DE. What is corresponding of DE? TE is equal to. Second BE is there. BE. Corresponding BE. What is corresponding of BE? CE. Then CE upon, see here, CE, corresponding of CE is BE. These are CS, EST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. We proved already triangles similar, that's why we can write corresponding sides. Only two pairs we do, because these are here. And now at last, cross multiplication. Here, cross product. DE multiplied by BE is equal to CE multiplied by TE. Hence proved. Here it is proved here. Example number 8. In the figure, seg AC and seg BD intersect at point in point B. It is given AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. These two ratios are already given here. Two sides are in proportion. Already given, two sides are in proportion. But in which triangle these are coming? AB is here, CP is here, BP is here, and DP is here. Means this one and this two. These are two triangles we have to consider for similarity. And for that, already two sides are in proportion is given. And we have to prove ABP and CDP similar. It's only one thing that we want for to prove. If two sides are given, one angle we want for SAS, and for SAS it is very easy. This pair is congruent. These are vertically opposite. Finished. Already one thing is given. Two sides are in proportion. Include angle congruent. Triangles are similar. By this test, by SAS. And how to write? Write pair first of triangle. In triangle ABB and triangle CDB. Already given is here. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Two sides are in proportion. It is given. Two sides are in proportion. Two corresponding sides are in proportion. And one angle we want, and that is here. In APB, angle APB is congruent with angle CPD or DPC you can write. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And you know the property or test. If two corresponding sides are in proportion and one included angle is congruent, then triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar with triangle CDP by which test? By SAS test. Finished. Hence proved it is. Dear friends, last example number 9 of practice set. We have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Here one pair is given congruent, equal, BAC here. BAC is congruent or equal with ADC. It is already given. One more pair we want for these two triangles. Then we will show these two triangles similar, and after that we will take corresponding sides and then cross multiplication. One pair is given congruent in triangle. Now which pair of triangle take the same? In triangle BAC and triangle ADC take same pair that we have to prove. In these two triangles, this is congruent already. Angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC. It is given. For AA test, one more pair of congruent angles we want. Now second pair, if you see both the triangles BAC, it is C is coming here, and second ADC, again C, means C is common in both second pair. Therefore here we can write, if C is common, then take C, bring C at the middle, and you can write ACB is congruent with here ACD, common angle. These are common angles. One pair is given, second pair is common. Therefore triangles are similar. Triangle BAC is similar with triangle ADC by which test? By AA test. We want here sides. Whenever in 2 you want sides, then take corresponding sides. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. But which sides? All three corresponding sides are in proportion, but take only two that we want. Now here we want CA. Now CA means this. CA. Corresponding of CA is CD. Is equal to CD. Second we want BC. BC is here. BC. What is corresponding of BC? Here AC means CA. CEST. Last cross multiplication. CA multiplied by CA is equal to here BC. We wrote here BC multiplied by CD, and therefore at last you can correct it. CA into CA, CA square is equal to BC, but here it is given CB. Then we can add BC as CB into CD. Hence proved. Here proved. In this way, here we have completed practice set 1.3. That was based on tests of similarity of triangles.